Welcome back to Linux and shell scripting, and welcome back to AWS and DevOps. So thank you for your support, and kindly subscribe my channel, and please do support, please share and like. Okay, please to comment as well. If you find any errors or issues while you are doing practice, kindly ping the message, or you can drop a comment. We'll connect, or else you can ping me a message in LinkedIn. So then, if I find a time, definitely we will connect and we'll discuss. Okay. So thanks for your support, guys, and please do more. Please kindly do share. So need more subscribers. So today we are going to discussing about shell scripting string. Let's get into topic. Right. So guys, today we are going to discuss about string. Okay. What yesterday we have discussed, guys? What we have discussed: command line arguments and variables, comments. Okay. File naming conventions, shell scripting debugging. Okay. And also benefits and what is the use of and introduction of shell scripting. All these things. Okay. From introduction to yesterday till command line arguments we have discussed. So these are all basics. Okay. So also it's a part of shell scripting. So we should learn about string. So in general terminology, whatever you feel, whatever you know, so the same one here also, the same string we are going to discuss here. So what is exactly string? Okay. In general, string in the sense, in string, by using string we can able to keep name. Okay, something like that. So in shell scripting, a string refers to a sequence of characters. Okay, so enclosed in a quotation. So like you know this quotation, maybe name. Okay, maybe some letters. Okay, maybe some numbers. Okay, something like this. So these characters can be like names, letters, numbers. Okay, or symbols, any symbols. Okay, even space also, even space also. These, when whatever you keep in between quotes, these are all strings. Okay, these are all comes under. So you no need to explicitly declare a string variable. You simply assign a string value directly a variable name. Okay, using equal sign. Okay, by using equal sign, variable name, just simply directly declare. Okay, so you mean like a string variable, simply you can declare a string variable. You simply assign a string value directly to a variable name using equal. Okay, example. So name equal to Lokesh. Okay, name equal to Yesh, something like this. Okay, or name equal to hello dollar name. We have to give like this. Okay, so what is double quote, guys? Here actually, what is double quote? Okay, what is double quote? This double quote allow for variable expansion within the string. The variable name preceded by a dollar sign, okay, will be replaced with its value. Okay, so double quote, in between double quote. Okay, in between double quote, so you have given dollar, and also this name. If you mention some name, variable name, if you mention, it will take here. Okay, so what is single quote? Okay, guys, what is single quote? This prevent any variable expansion. Okay, interpretation of special characters within the string. Okay, we'll see. Means like string is a group of characters, I told, right? String is a group of characters enclosed in a quote, double quote, in a double quote. Okay, name we can mention in single quote. Okay, we'll see one by one. For example, file name. File name equal to string length dot sh. Okay, how we will write something like this, right? Bin bash. Okay, we'll write like this. Okay, for example, string variable equal to hi team. Okay, my name is Lokesh. Okay, something we have to write like this. Okay, so if you want to add, you can also write working as a DevOps engineer. Okay, so now not here. So this is all one string we have mentioned in double quote. Okay, so if you give echo, we have to write here echo something, some message, some statement. The string value is something, double quote, if you mention it or not, it doesn't matter. Dollar string underscore where, which means, guys, see, whatever content is there, whatever statement is there, whatever characters are there, so these will be display here, which means, and including this, which means the string value is, it will show output like this: hi team, my name is Lokesh, working as a DevOps engineer. It will show like this. Okay, for example, if you want to display any value, so any variable value, so we'll use dollar. You understood? If you want to display any variable value, we have to mention dollar. Okay, right? This, before this we have to mention dollar. Okay, so, okay, for example, echo, without this echo, dollar string where, so whatever you defined, so that will be take by using dollar has to mention. So then whatever you have declared, that will get as a output. Okay, so if you want to display a size of the particular variable or length, okay, of a string variable, which means exactly how many what is the value. For example, engineer is there, so how many characters? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 numbers. If you want to see particular character number also, you can see. Okay, so for that we'll see like we have to mention numbers. Okay, after string this value echo and dollar string so and so where, after that you have to mention 8, something like this, or 20. Okay, if you have to mention number, then it will show. So we'll see one by one. So instead of this theory, if you go here, it is easy to understand. Let's see. It's not working. One second, guys. Right? cd shell scripts. Right? This means shell script last yesterday we have seen. So today we'll see some file name. We can take the same one only, vai string underscore length dot sh hash exclamation
slash bin slash slash.
yeah dash. So after this, what we have to mention? String variable. I want to mention string underscore var. So something like this equal. I have to mention whatever you mention. You have to mention in between double quote. Okay. So I'm going to write here a statement. Hi team. I am Lokesh Kumar, working as a DevOps engineer. Right, this is something. Okay, I just would like to mention like this, and also I need some output, right? Echo. The string value is, this is your wish. This is the the string value is something dollar flower bracket, okay, you have to mention this name, string underscore where, string where, right? We have declared that. And so I want length of the string as well. Okay, if I want to know length of the string what, so this string is there, right? Something string is there, this string entire length I want to know. Okay, so for that you have to mention one hash before this. Okay, copy paste. See this? Sorry, here you have to mention hash. See this, the difference you see here? So echo string, this is string value, but I want to see the length of the value. The length of string is something like this. So I'm going to save this. Shall we run this? Yes. See this, guys? The string value is hi team, I am Lokesh Kumar, working as a DevOps engineer. The length of the string is 55. Right? So this is what. So if I want particularly engineer, the engineer name is there, right? I want this value. The specifically I want to see particular characteristics of this. Okay, so I will mention like this. Let me open this. Echo echo dollar, next to flower brackets string underscore var. Right now, what is the value? For example, 8. One second, number lock is off. 8. Right. So I'm going to mention like this, guys. Okay, I'm going to mention like this. So let's see what output it is. See this? One second. First I'll show this. Why numbers login? Okay, so what is length of string value is 55. See this, guys, something it is printed after, so which means, see this here, 20 means I have mentioned some 20. If I mention here, see, I am showing one by one. If I mention here 35 for suppose, okay, again I will save, again I will run. See this, as a DevOps engineer only it's shown. Earlier my string value, total value is, hi team, I am Lokesh Kumar, as a DevOps engineer, working as a DevOps engineer. This is my statement. Okay, but if I mention the value number, so it is ignored first characters, first whatever 35 I have mentioned, that it is closed. See this, so I have mentioned earlier 8, it is ignored 8. After that 20, it ignored 20, and after 35 it ignored 35. Okay, so first 35 numbers it will skip. Okay, so I want only location, I want only engineer, for suppose I want only engineer. So shall I mention like this? Let's see, I will keep like this only, I don't want to delete, because we want to see the difference. Okay, one second. Okay, paste. So here echo dollar string var, see this, I'll keep total
55 sir.
yeah, 55. So let's see, we'll try one by one, and also I'll mention random numbers, guys. I did not calculate it, just simply I want to display 14 for suppose 14 or 10. I'll keep 10. Okay, let's see, let's do the experiment. Okay, see this, as a DevOps engineer it gone, it's came and it's not shown. Let me again open this. So initial I'll keep here 20. Okay, or I will keep here 11. Okay, let's see what will happen. See this, guys, you understood? First one is as a DevOps engineer normal, because that is 35, that's fine. So H Kumar work, whatever 11 characters, that 11 characters displayed. So especially for example, if I mention here if I mention here, for suppose if I mention here 20, let's see, one second. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You see 8. So one second, let me open again. So I don't want to give this. I'll keep here 55 total. Okay, let me save. Why it is not showing? One second. Initial 20.
So
I'll give.
total only 55 characters are there, sir.
Yeah. I will mention here.
55 is taking blind.
Yeah. I'll keep 10. See this? I am. It is taking from here. How many? 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I mentioned 8. 8 only it is taking. So here, one second. So out of starting 10, 10 after 8 it is calculating, right guys? Starting
Yes,
10
sir.
after 8 it is
Sir.
calculating. For suppose if I mention 40, for suppose if I mention 40, after 40 characteristics it will calculate. Let's see. One second. 55 total 55, right? 48 I'll take like this. We'll see now. So if I run this, see this array. one missed. One second. 47.
47.
Yeah,
Yes.
47. Okay. Yeah, see, I if I need last 8 numbers, so here I have mentioned, here I have to mention this 47 plus 8, total 55, right? Bifurcated. Okay, last 8 digits you have to mention, but remaining also you have to mention.
Without 8 also it works, sir, I think. Without 8 also it works, sir.
Can I? Yeah, that will show
Yeah.
initial starting 47 digits, not last one. But I am trying
Oh,
here last 8 digits. Okay,
okay,
last
sir. Okay,
8
sir.
letters. If I remove this, if I remove 8, it will show only
Up to
starting
40.
up to 47. It will show. See,
Sir,
for
you have to close
suppose,
the bracket, sir.
see this
Here,
starting.
sir, you have to close.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I didn't see. I didn't notice this. Okay, I'll close this. Okay, see this starting numbers. What is
No,
this?
sir.
No, right? One
Yeah.
second. Oh, so it is taking
Ignoring first 47, sir.
first to 47, right?
Yeah.
Fine, it is also fine. Okay, so but if you mention this also, right? One second. If you mention this also, I will do comment this. Okay. See, engineer last. So for suppose if I open this is commented, right? And this is also comment. I will comment this also. It is ignored starting one. Yeah, yes, it is ignored starting 47 numbers, right? 47 characteristics. Right? Initial 47 characters, it's ignored, right? 45, sorry, 45.
45.
Yeah, 45. So if you mention like this, one second, that's it, right? If for suppose if I mention 15, it will ignore 15, right? Lokesh Kumar working as a DevOps engineer. Remaining all ignored. So for suppose if I want to see last seven or eight characters, want to display only last 7 characters. Let's see. So I will remove this. Right, initially if you, without any, directly if you mention 15 or 20 or any number, it will ignore starting numbers. Okay, so I want to mention last hyphen 10 bar minus 10. Let's see this. See this. Hi team, I am Lokesh working as a DevOps engineer. What it is ignored? One second. So I want to mention like this, or else I will mention like this. Getting irritating sound, right? See this, guys. Only last, if you want to see our last digits, last characters. See, I want to mention here 8.
Sir, when we mention minus, it count from backwards, sir, from
Backwards, yeah. It is counting from backwards.
Yes, sir.
See, last it is showing last digits, last 8 digits.
last. Similar to string slicing in Python, sir.
Correct, exactly. See this? See this? It is counting. If you mention only normal numbers, if you mention numbers normally, it is ignoring from scratch, from the starting onwards. It is ignoring from the starting, but if you mention minus, okay, it is counting from last. Is it? Is it? For suppose I will mention here some 20 numbers. Let's see. See this? As a DevOps engineer, see, as a DevOps engineer, last 20 is counting. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Maybe I think one missed. Okay. So last digits, if you mention minus and number, it is counting from here. It is mentioning last 2. Okay, characters. Last what mention I have? 20. If you mention like this, it will count last 20 characters. If you mention like this, it will ignore first characters, initial characters, whatever first characters are there, so those it will avoid. Okay, that's it. Shall we create, let's continue. So I'll do one thing. I want to mention continuously all. I need to remove the comments. I want to remove the comments and I want to mention different all. Remove, and here echo. Okay, and also want to mention here 10. Okay, next copy paste. Okay, I want to mention I'm just doing some experiment, guys. Okay, we'll see this. Yeah, something went wrong. See, let me open this cat -n. What is string? So this is what I mentioned, right? So I think this is wrong. This is wrong one, syntax error.
Yeah, sir, completely wrong.
Yeah, this is completely wrong. So this is taken, right? So first one is this, right? String where, hi team, I am Lokesh Kumar working as a DevOps engineer. It is showing output, right? And the length of the string is 55, right? This one, it is executed as a DevOps engineer. What I have mentioned here, 35. Initial starting 35 numbers ignored, and this one as a DevOps engineer, last 20 ignored, guys. And here as a dev something, 35 minus 10, it is shown result here, this one, and last one it is wrong. Okay, so that's it. Nothing more, just simply characters, how we have to use, how many ways we can use in string. So next one, other topic is arithmetic operations. So can I take it as separate, or do I need to club? How much time it's we spent, guys? Guys, how much time we been in class?
Yeah, it's been 40 minutes, sir.
Okay, but we learned only about string, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is arithmetic operations, guys? So
Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division.
Addition, subtraction.
1 second, guys. 1 second. So we'll see in next class.